Good morning, viewers. You are watching CNN on Sunday, 22nd December 2019 at 8 a.m. with me, Aura. Headline news this time will preach news of traffic jam, which often becomes a major problem for big cities in England, not to mention congestion in London area to Manchester, which becomes subscription of congestion. On a typical day, the volume of vehicles already increases and become crowded in this area, especially during the long holiday in the end of 2019 and the beginning of 2020. In the direction of London to Manchester, the volume of vehicles looks increasingly overflowing. Congestion is not only happening in the big streets but also happens in Leadenhall Highway from London to Manchester. Congestion this time is accompanied by heavy rain that flushed the area of Manchester and the surrounding areas starting this morning that caused flood around Manchester, not least in Leadenhall Highway, Manchester. This affects the congestion that is getting worse from the direction of London to Manchester. The congestion in this area has become a subscription and becomes a major problem for motorcyclists and cars because this bottleneck hampers the activity of the surrounding community, especially in this morning. Especially now it's the holiday season at the end of 2019 and the beginning at 2020, which affects the traffic congestion is increasingly severe in this area, Manchester area. Viewers, not only congestion happens, but also heavy rain that have flushed this area since at 7 a.m. The rain that has flushed this area seems through in the area around Manchester, causing a long traffic jam up to about 7 kilometers from the direction of London to Manchester. This jam has occurred almost 2 hours. Rain also makes the complex of houses near the highway in Manchester flooded to a height of 13 until 14 centimeters. Heavy rain also resulted in roads around the perforated Manchester and disrupt the road users. It is very dangerous, especially for two-wheeled riders. The worst congestion occurred from the flyover near the Supermall to the red line intersection of White End Street. This can be seen from the volume of both four-wheeled big vehicles that have filled this street side this morning. So, for you who want to take a vacation or just passing in the area of Manchester, it'd be better choose another alternative routes because the congestion is expected to last until noon if the rain stops and water inundated areas around Manchester gradually recedes. Viewers, this is CNN for today. Until next time.